Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, the home for the latest and smartest tech reviews that make your life safer, smarter, and more connected. Today we're checking out one of the most advanced dash cams on the market, the AI Dash Cam N700Pro. This isn't your average front and rear dash camera setup. The N700Pro takes things to a whole new level with 4 channels of recording, front, rear, and dual interior cameras, giving you a full 360 degrees view of your vehicle's surroundings. Whether you're driving in traffic, reversing, or simply monitoring your parked car, this dash cam ensures no blind spots. On the front side, you get a powerful 3K resolution camera, delivering sharp and crystal clear footage of the road ahead. The rear and cabin cameras record in 1080p Full HD, making sure every angle is covered with clarity. This level of detail is especially important for capturing license plates, road signs, and low light conditions. The built-in smart driving monitor system is where the N700Pro truly stands out. Using AI-powered technology, it tracks driver behavior, alerting you if you're distracted, drowsy, or showing unsafe driving habits. It's like having a virtual co-pilot that helps keep you and your passengers safe. Equipped with 5 GHz Wi-Fi, this dash cam allows for fast wireless transfers directly to your smartphone. You can easily review, download, and share videos without removing the memory card. And speaking of storage, the package includes a 128GB SD card, so you're ready to go immediately. With its built-in GPS, the N700Pro logs your routes and driving speed alongside your video footage, providing reliable evidence for insurance claims or disputes. Pair that with infrared night vision, and you're guaranteed clear recordings even during late-night drives. Another key highlight is the 24-hour parking mode. Whether you're at home or out shopping, the camera automatically detects impacts or suspicious activity and records, ensuring your car is protected around the clock. If you're looking for a premium all-in-one dash cam with crystal-clear resolution, 360 degrees coverage, AI-assisted safety, and seamless connectivity, the N700Pro should be at the top of your list. Check out the link below for more details, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more high-tech reviews here on Gadgetverse.